Welcome to section 5 of Motivation for Peak Performance. People are often hired motivated. Actually, I've never seen a hire or a new hire that's demotivated on day one. They are demotivated in time. So they come into work or they report to the company for the first few months, few years, highly motivated. And somehow down the line, they become demotivated. I've seen this hundreds of times. An energetic employee starting his first job, eager and willing to learn, running around the office full of energy and passion. Time passes by, and if they are fortunate enough to report to a great leader or a great manager, then that motivation and drive actually increases. If they are unfortunate to report to a poor leader or a poor manager, then the energy and motivation are slowly sucked away. Months and years later, they are drained of any sense of motivation in their body. Eventually, they burn out or they resign. They were systematically demotivated by a poor leader. Poor leadership or poor management is very costly in terms of human resource. We lose great people. We also burden HR with constant requirements of replacements. Do not drain the motivation out of your team members. In the end, the company loses. The leaders lose without their high performing, highly motivated employees because they resign. Everybody loses. Recall your first job. What was your motivation level at the time you joined? And how long did it last?